Drones have revolutionized the way we capture stunning aerial shots, whether for photography, videography, or just pure fun. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be tricky. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones, covering camera quality, flight time, features, and overall performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a perfect drone for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi SG901 Max Drone. Capturing breathtaking aerial footage has never been easier with this advanced drone, designed for smooth flights, intelligent navigation, and high-quality imaging. Whether you are an experienced drone enthusiast or a beginner looking to explore the skies, this compact yet powerful device offers the perfect balance of performance and convenience. Equipped with an impressive 8K HD dual-camera system, it delivers stunning aerial shots with remarkable clarity. The wide-angle 4K front lens ensures expansive, high-resolution captures, while the bottom high-definition lens with optical flow provides additional perspectives for precise positioning and navigation. This dual-camera setup enhances versatility, making it ideal for photography, videography, and live streaming. One of its standout features is the GPS-enabled brushless motor, which provides superior flight stability, precise control, and an extended lifespan. Unlike brush motors, brushless technology ensures reduced noise, improved efficiency, and a more powerful flight experience, allowing users to navigate with ease even in challenging conditions. Coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope and advanced anti-interference technology, this drone maintains steady and smooth flights for optimal performance. Designed with safety in mind, it comes with an intelligent obstacle avoidance system that prevents collisions during flight. This feature is particularly useful when flying in complex environments, ensuring a safer and more controlled experience. However, users should note that infrared obstacle avoidance may be less effective under strong lighting conditions. The drone's portability is another major advantage. Weighing just 196 grams, it is lightweight enough to bypass strict UAV regulations in many countries, which often require registration for drones exceeding 250 grams. Its foldable design further enhances its travel-friendly nature, allowing users to carry it effortlessly for outdoor adventures, travel photography, or professional shoots. Number 4. JHDL 200 Pro Max Drone. Taking aerial photography and videography to new heights, this advanced drone is designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a perfect blend of stability, image quality, and intelligent flight controls. With a sleek design and powerful features, it delivers an unparalleled flying experience, making it a must-have for anyone looking to capture stunning visuals from the sky. Equipped with a high-quality 2.7K HD camera, this drone allows users to record crisp, detailed footage at a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes, action shots, or cinematic sequences, the integrated 2-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable images by reducing vibrations and camera shake during flight. Additionally, its 50x optical zoom capability enables users to focus on distant objects with remarkable precision, adding depth and flexibility to every shot. One of its standout features is its GPS-enabled navigation system, which enhances flight accuracy and stability. With GPS-assisted return-to-home functionality, the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point if the signal is lost or the battery runs low, ensuring a safe and worry-free flying experience. This feature makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots looking for reliable flight performance. Designed for longer flights, it comes equipped with a 7.4-volt and 1600 mAh battery, providing up to 22 to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended duration allows users to capture more footage without frequent interruptions. Additionally, its lightweight design at just 216 grams ensures easier portability and maneuverability, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, travel photography, and professional shoots. The drone's obstacle avoidance system adds an extra layer of safety during flight, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring smoother navigation through complex environments. Its advanced FPV operation allows real-time video transmission through a mobile app, enabling pilots to see exactly what the drone sees, making it perfect for live streaming, surveillance, and immersive aerial experiences. With a transmission range of up to 2.7 kilometers and a remote control distance of 3 kilometers, it offers impressive connectivity and long-range capabilities. Whether using the dedicated remote control, app-based controller, or Wi-Fi connection, users can easily control flight movements with precision. The 4-channel system ensures smooth and responsive controls, giving pilots the freedom to perform dynamic maneuvers and capture every moment with ease. Number 3. Fimi Mini 3 Pro Drone. Compact, lightweight, and packed with cutting-edge technology, this high-performance drone redefines aerial photography for both beginners and professionals. Weighing just 245 grams, it falls below the 250-gram threshold, allowing users to bypass complex drone regulations in many regions. Despite its small size, this drone delivers powerful performance with an array of intelligent flight features, making it a perfect companion for travel, adventure, and creative cinematography. Equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera, it captures stunningly detailed images and smooth videos, ensuring crystal-clear footage from above. The built-in 3-axis gimbal stabilization system eliminates camera shake and ensures ultra-smooth recordings, even in windy conditions. With a 12 million pixel sensor and a 1 or 2.6-inch camera sensor size, it delivers exceptional image quality with sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range. Designed for stability and precision, it features advanced GPS technology that enhances flight accuracy and allows for intelligent flight modes such as waypoint navigation, follow me, and return to home functions. This ensures seamless and controlled flying, giving users confidence to explore new perspectives and angles. With its dual-frequency operation on both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, it provides strong signal connectivity and minimal interference, allowing for a reliable and smooth flying experience. Despite its lightweight frame, it boasts impressive wind resistance, handling speeds of up to 20 to 30 km per hour with ease. This makes it ideal for capturing breathtaking footage in a variety of outdoor environments, from coastal landscapes to mountainous terrains. The drone's compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, fitting effortlessly into a backpack for travel-friendly convenience. For enhanced control and versatility, it supports multiple connectivity options, including an app controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection. The 10-channel control system provides precise maneuverability, allowing pilots to execute complex flight patterns with ease. With fixed-focus optical zoom, users can capture cinematic shots with impressive clarity, while its powerful transmission system ensures real-time video feedback for immersive aerial experiences. Number 2. iFlight Nazgul DC5 Drone. This is a high-performance 5-inch freestyle drone designed for FPV pilots seeking top-tier durability, precision, and high-definition video capabilities. Engineered with a lightweight yet robust carbon fiber frame and aluminum camera mount, it delivers superior strength while maintaining agility in the air. At its core, the drone features the Blitz ATF 435 flight controller paired with the Blitz E55S55A 4-in-1 ESC, ensuring ultra-responsive flight control and stability even during aggressive maneuvers. The Xiaomi Pro 2207 1800 kV motors combined with Nazgul F5 propellers offer powerful thrust, allowing the drone to reach a top speed of 190 km per hour in manual mode. One of the standout features of the Nazgul DC5 ECO is the integration of the DJI-O3 Air unit, which provides low-latency HD video transmission with a maximum range of up to 10 km. This system ensures a crisp, smooth real-time view in FPV goggles, even in interference-prone environments. Additionally, the O3 Air unit supports 4K stabilized video recording with a 155-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, enabling cinematic footage with exceptional clarity. The ability to install ND filters offers greater control over camera exposure, making it ideal for professional-grade FPV videography. Designed for extreme conditions, the drone boasts a maximum wind resistance of level 7 and an operating temperature range of 10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliability in various environments. The built-in anti-spark filter extends the lifespan of XT60 connectors, protecting electronic components from sudden voltage spikes. For added convenience, the drone includes a built-in buzzer and receiver mount, simplifying maintenance and customization. The frame supports both 20 by 20 and 30.5 by 30.5 mounting holes, offering flexibility for users to integrate additional flight stacks and VTX systems. Number 1. Potensic C0 Mini Drone. Lightweight yet powerful, this compact drone delivers a seamless flying experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Designed with portability in mind, it weighs under 249 grams, making it an ideal companion for travel and outdoor adventures without the need for complex registration procedures. Despite its small size, it boasts a sophisticated 3-axis gimbal system that ensures stable and smooth footage, even in dynamic flight conditions. Equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera capable of capturing stunning 30 FPS videos and crisp 12-megapixel photos, every moment in the air becomes a cinematic masterpiece. Whether soaring through breathtaking landscapes or documenting everyday moments from a fresh perspective, this drone turns ordinary shots into extraordinary visuals. The 6-kilometer image transmission range enhances real-time video feed quality, allowing users to explore further while maintaining a clear and steady connection. Performance is at the heart of this drone's design. Its brushless motors provide efficiency and durability, ensuring quiet yet powerful operation. With a remarkable 29-minute flight time per battery, users can enjoy extended aerial sessions before needing a recharge. Stability is further reinforced by its impressive level 5 wind resistance, allowing it to maintain precise control even in challenging weather conditions. Navigating the skies is effortless with advanced GPS features, including return to home, ensuring the drone safely returns to its takeoff point in case of signal loss or low battery. Waypoint navigation allows users to preset flight paths for creative and automated aerial shots. Visual tracking adds an intelligent touch, enabling the drone to follow subjects dynamically, making it perfect for capturing moving action without manual control. Quick shots simplify complex shots with automated flight patterns, adding cinematic quality to every capture. Constant firmware updates keep this drone at peak performance, introducing new features and optimizations for an ever-evolving flying experience. Whether used as an exciting travel companion, a tool for creative storytelling, or a gift for tech enthusiasts, this mini drone offers an unparalleled blend of portability, innovation, and high-quality imaging in one compact package. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.